Hi, this is Lilly from New Woman again, and just welcome back to my page. I would just like to sing a song that is in my language. I'm from the island of Niue, and this song was what I was brought up with. My dad every evening would make us sing this song after he'd always just get us together as kids, because there was 12 of us children. At the time, was my other sister that was number 13 had died back in the island, so he'd get us all around in the evenings after dinner and would sing this song. Dad always used to pray and then he'd sing this song. So I'd like to share just the first and second verse of this song. So this song is about, there's so much blessing in heaven that there's poured down upon us, that God has poured the blessing down upon us here on earth. So we are all so blessed here. There's so much. It's some of us, I don't think that we realize how blessed we are and how we do have everything that we need. And it's really up to us to see that. So I hope you enjoy this song, and I'll just tune it to make sure it's really good. And don't mind me, I've just started to learn how to play the ukulele. Tune it for the next time I record. So thank you. Thank you for joining me. And I do hope that you will join me again. And also, if you'd like to subscribe to my page, and there is also a link to click on below this video. And I do hope that you will join me again. Merry Christmas!